Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Kailh switches which I bought from splitkb.com six days ago, and it cost 54 euros. They just arrived today, and then I'm gonna mount them, hot swap them into my ZSA Voyager keyboard, which currently has the red switches. Let's see what's in the back. It's a cookie, caramel cookie, and thank you notes. And the switches themselves, sticker. All right. These are the Robin variant of the Kailh switches. Clicky, as you can hear. And I'm gonna use the tool provided by the ZSA to remove the caps and do the hot swapping out of the switches. By the way, these are, I 3D printed them myself. These are some keycaps with a round corner, so that it's more comfortable for the thumbs to rest on them. And these are keycaps tilters for the top row, so that it's also more comfortable to type them this way, to reach them. And for these keycaps and the keycaps tilters, I will put the links in the description, where you can download the models to print them yourself. So I finished swapping the switches, and here it's how they sound.